You got a channel violation, you got a strike, and you're wondering how you can take it out. I'm just going to show you how you can do that. Please do not miss a step, because you just have to apply these steps so that you can get this strike out of your channel, and then you'll be free. All right guys, so let's go. If this sounds like what you want to watch, you just have to make sure you watch the video to the end. All right, so here you can see that there's a strike on my channel already, and then you have two types of strike, which has been copyright strike and community guideline strike. Right, so these are the strikes that YouTube can give to you if there's a violation in your channel. And then when you have this kind of strike, you know what it means, right? You know what it means. If you have this type like 3 times in a space of 90 days, your channel will either be deleted or just be taken away. All right, so let's check copyright. As you can see, I have copyright strike on my dashboard. Right, let's go to copyright. Now it's telling me that there's no strike here, right? There's no strike, but this is not where you used to judge if your channel has a copyright strike, right? You just go to your dashboard, and then that's where you're going to see that your channel has a warning, that is a copyright strike, right? So let's click on it and see what's happening there. So when you click on it, you see you have a warning there. So your content was removed due to violation of our community guidelines. You've received a warning. If you select take action, you can appeal. Now you can select take action to appeal, and then you can also do take action, then you can also write. Now if this happens again, if you violate this policy again within 90 days of completing the policy training, you will get a strike. You won't be able to do anything like upload, post, or even live stream. Do you get? So if something like this happens again, this is the result you will get. So how do you now take this thing out? How do you take this strike out? Now let's just go forward. Now content remove. If you think that you made a mistake, you can just come and just submit an appeal. You understand? I actually did. Now look at the warning on this. It happened January 4th, and it's going to expire April 4th. That's approximately 90 days. Now before you get here, you must have done some things. This is what I did. The first thing, I took a training, and I completed the training on the 4th of January. That same day it happened. So you understand? So that's why they now told me my warning will expire 90 days from that day, and I submitted an appeal which they rejected. So all you need to do is just to do the training, right? Complete the training, pass the training. It's very simple. And then after then, in 90 days time, this one strike will be out. All right, the one strike will be out, so you don't need to do anything outside that. All right, please take note. 90 days it will be out. So I want to pause this for a while. Let's just count down to 90 days time and see what's going to happen. So I'm going to pause this here and then continue the recording in 90 days time. So let's see what's going to happen after 90 days, after me taking my exam. It wasn't easy, I know, but let's see. All right, 90 days later, look at what happened to my channel. As you can see, guys, you can see, right, the one strike is already out, right? So all I did was to just take the training, pass the training, and then I left. I didn't do anything more than that. And then after 19 days, I was very careful not to violate YouTube's policy, and then they took it out. All right, guys, that's the end of this tutorial. And if you need more of this, please do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so that when next I drop another video, you'll be the first or one of the first to get it. All right, bye-bye.